Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add an avatar on your Instagram profile picture. So the first thing you need to do is to just close Instagram and head over to Play Store, App Store and search for Instagram right there and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If it is not updated, then you can see in here an update button. But if it's already updated, you can only see an open button like here in my case. So let's open now Instagram. And as you can see, here we are. So let's head over to our profile. Here it is. So what we need to do is to just click this edit profile right here. And as you can see, we already have this prompt, which is wherein we create our avatar. Let's click on not now for now. And what we need to click next is to click this edit picture or avatar. Click that. And click this icon right here. And click on create avatar. So let's try creating an avatar first. I'll only choose random avatars. So you can customize it whatever you want or like. For me, I like this better. And let's choose the outfit for that specific avatar. Let's choose this. You can also customize the eye makeup, the eyebrows, the face shape, or the bindi. I like to put one. And then put it in your nose. And then also the lips, the face shape right here, face lines and all that, ear piercings. So I'm already satisfied with mine. So after that, just click on done. Click on save changes. And as you can see, your avatar is being updated. And click on next. And as you can see, just click sync profile info. And as you can see now, our profile info has been synced. So let's choose in here. And as you can see now, our avatar is now available right here. Just click on add to profile picture. And then after that, just click on the check right here. So this will toss and turn. Our profile picture will toss and turn into our avatar and back to our profile picture and back to our avatar again. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.